Everybody knows that the online business world is changing rapidly with AI and different techniques. People want the information quicker and they want it yesterday. Okay, so you've got to cater for that. When it comes to building a sales funnel, there are a lot of people right now talking about saying that sales funnels don't work, saying that you need to change things and buy their stuff to try and compete in the market. This isn't one of those videos, because I'll tell you right now, sales funnels still work. You just have to adapt them to the way the market is changing. So the old way really was to give away something of value. You give away a lead magnet, whether it's a cheat sheet or an ebook or something, and people would give you their name and email address. That is getting more difficult to do because it's a little bit old-fashioned and people want something a bit more dynamic. And that's something that is a bit more dynamic. One of the things that you can do, I'm going to show you on here, is quiz funnels. Now, quiz funnels really dive into exactly what people want. It captures people's attention, it keeps them engaged, and it engages people on a much higher level. Let me show you this, for example. So this, what you can see here, is a web page. It's available on ClickBank. Have a look at it for yourself. And this page, I'll tell you right now, is responsible for generating millions of dollars. And all it is, it just invites people to have a look at a quiz. So you have a look at the quiz. So let's go through this. So it just says, take the 1-minute quiz to find out what sort of social media job you're best suited to. Okay, so we're engaging. And this sort of thing within psychology, it taps into what we call the commitment and consistency theory. So with little actions lead to bigger actions and more commitments. Okay, so it's really clever in the way that these work. So what sort of job are you looking for? Okay, I'm looking for a job I can do from home. I'll click on that one. What's your favorite social media platform? Facebook. So again, we're making those little micro commitments. That's leading us to the next thing. What's the next question? I'm kind of engaged now. Okay, this is, what do you want to earn? Okay, I want to earn loads of money. So full-time income, let's put that in. And what device do you use on social media? I'll put desktop, because that's what I'm on right now. Okay, so we've filled out the form as the quiz, and that's taken us now to a relevant page. Okay, now in terms of this, there may be different pages, there may not be different pages, but we're now engaged because we've given that commitment. Okay, let me show you a different one. So this is a very similar sort of thing. This is another ClickBank deal, okay, where again, responsible for millions. I'm showing you these pages because they are quite literally responsible for millions of dollars in revenue. So again, this is a sort of thing. So take the short quiz to find your perfect online job. It's going to take us through a very similar process that you've just seen. Okay, let me show you one more. This is my coaching platform, and what I do, I don't have anything to give away. What I do, I invite people to apply to become coachees. Okay, so if you click on apply here, that's going to go through to a quiz funnel. Okay, click on get started, and we'll say, how did you hear about me? Okay, what was it? Okay, so I'll just put on there, web. I'll tell you what, let's put these on so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Web. So how long have you been running your business? Okay, let's assume that we're just beginners. Okay, so we haven't yet started. What's your current business revenue? Again, just getting started. What do you want it to be in 12 months? Well, I want to be earning, say, $2,000 to $5,000 a month. And what areas do you need help with? I need help with everything really, because I'm just getting started. So all of the above. Click on continue. So you're almost ready to receive your results. If you selected other on the previous, add more detail. Okay, not relevant, so I'll just click on continue. If we're a good fit, how committed are you to achieving your goals? Yes, I'm committed, obviously. Okay. So now what it's doing, it's saying that here's your assessment results. So it's saying that it's CTM. This is what I put in there, CTM. It kind of gets people to go, well, what the heck's CTM? Okay. But they're already engaged, they've already piqued their interest. And what they need to do now is put their name and email address in there, so you're getting a subscriber, click on submit, and that then takes people to the relevant page based on their answers. Okay, it's really simple and straightforward, but again, what you're doing is you're getting people who are engaged. Okay, let me show you the back office of exactly how that works. So this is the back office. This is what it's like behind the scenes. And this is the first question: how did you hear about McLauchlan Coaching? So I'll show you how it works. So if I click on Continue and I go on to Edit Fields, and if I go on to where it says the Manage Quiz Results, so you can put all your questions in here, anything you want. Okay, and you can make these questions relevant to, let's say you're selling a product on ClickBank. Okay, let's say you're selling a product about cats. All right, everyone loves cats. Well, not everyone loves cats. Some people love dogs, but a lot of people love cats. Okay, and let's say you're talking about a specific breed of cat. So you're capturing people about that. You're taking people through a quiz funnel about these cats, about learning more about cats. You can have a bit of humour, bit of learning about the cat, and then at the end of it, you get their details and you send them to a relevant product about that particular cat, whatever it is. Okay, and you know your target audience. That is a highly engaged subscriber who is more likely to buy early on, as opposed to trying to nurture people over the long term, 30, 60, 90 days, the old sort of fashion route. Okay, so it's a quicker route to get people to buy and create a faster bond and relationship with your subscriber. So let me show you this. So here's all my questions. So you've just seen that. How long you've been in business? What's your current revenue? How much do you want to earn? Okay, you've seen those before. And all what you do is you give these a score. So you score the actual answers that they give. So between 5 and 100, you're sending people to this particular URL. Okay, between 100 and 1200, this particular URL. So everything is tailored to their answers, and it gives them what they want. So another example is within my academy. When people come on board with the academy, which is an online business education platform, I then ask people, what's your level of experience? What's your expertise? What do you need help with? And they fill out all these forms, and it takes them to a relevant page that gives them exactly what they need. Okay, I want help in video marketing with traffic, and I haven't got a lot of experience. Okay, fill out the survey form. Here you go. Here is your bespoke page with everything that you need, and it makes a massive difference when it comes to building a community or getting subscribers and getting people to engage with you. Now, if you go searching online right now and you go looking for quiz survey funnel software, the majority of it is very expensive, and the cheapest I've seen is at $97 a month. Okay, and the typical business models right now, everything right now is monthly. Even getting videos or anything is monthly, because that's the best business model. What I'm showing you here is the back office of my home business academy funnel builder. This is one particular facet of many different things you can do within HBA, and it's $25 a month. So if you're looking for funnel builder software and you're looking for the functionality that's going to engage people and give you the functionality to not only future-proof you, but future-proof your software, so it's still working, you're still getting the right kind of things that people want in the industry today, then I would recommend the HBA Funnel Builder software. Again, $25 a month. Now I know this sounds like a pitch, but more people need help with the right things. There's a lot of people out there trying to sell products and services that are expensive, that aren't always going to work, and are also limited to what you can do. And the thing is with HBA, with the Funnel Builder, you've got this quiz survey software. You can also do any type of page or product or e-commerce store for $25 a month. You can also have unlimited pages and unlimited sales funnels, with also unlimited domain names if you wish. Okay, so it's extremely low cost but extremely high quality. The other thing I'll say about this as well is it's based on AWS servers, Amazon servers, so it's lightning fast and really secure. So this is really top quality stuff for $25 a month. So have a look at this. There's a link just below. It will take you to the HBA platform. It will show you exactly what it is. The other thing about this, and this is going to really pique your attention or your interest if you're an affiliate marketer, HBA pay 80% commissions on all their products. Okay, so what that means is if you get this for $25, okay, you're going to get $20 per person per referral. So 2 people, you're in profit. They also have 2 other products. And if you're looking at really generating the business you want, taking your business seriously and putting things in place, you can't go wrong with the HBA Funnel Builder and looking at the other things that they've got as well. So have a look at that link below. Reach out to me with any questions that you've got. I'm always here, and I go out my way to help people in all areas of what I do in business. I've just launched my academy, and this really is a platform to help everybody who comes in, whether you're paid, whether you're free. Everybody gets help and support and training, and I really go out my way to help people who get on board with this. So have a look at the link. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, there are a lot of people who look at my videos who are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button just below, wherever it is. If you need to ask me any questions, the number on there is a text number. So send me a text message. Don't ring it, because my phone is always off, because it's always ringing and digging and just annoying me. So I always turn my phone off on silent. So send me a text if you've got any questions. Subscribe and comment below if you need any more help or advice. I'm John McLauchlan. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.